Welcome students, exercise 4.2. First question, classify the following curves as open or closed. In the first question we are given 4 curves A, B, C and D. These are the 4 given curves. First curve, this is open curve, this is closed curve, this is open curve and this is closed curve. This is open curve because this curve has 2 different endpoints, and here if you start to draw this curve, its beginning point is here and its end point is here. Both are differ, but come to the second curve. If you start to draw this curve from anywhere, then it moves in this direction and then it ends at the same point. In this curve, the beginning point and the end points are same. Come to curve C. In the figure C, this curve is open curve because if you start to draw this curve from this point, then it ends at this point. The beginning point and the end point are differ. So this is open curve. This is not closed. See here in the figure D, this is the closed curve because if you start to draw this figure from this point, now its starting point, its beginning point and the end point is same. So this curve has starting point, same starting point and the end point. But here 1 and 2 are the open curves, curve A and the curve C. These are open curves. Curve B and D are closed curve. Curve A is open curve, B is closed curve, C is open curve, D is closed curve. A is open curve, B closed curve, C open curve, D closed curve. Second question, draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Number A, open curve. This is the diagram of open curve. This is also the diagram of open curve. This is the open curve. This is also 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 open curve. This is also open curve. All these are the open curves. All these are the rough diagrams of open curve. Similarly, rough diagrams of closed curves. This is a triangle. This is the closed curve. This is the circle. This is also the closed curve. This is the square. This is also the closed curve. This is the rectangle. This is also the closed curve. This is also the closed curve. All these are the rough diagrams of closed curves. Next question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Draw the diagram of polygon and shade its interior. Now this is the triangle. This is the closed curve. This curve is made up of entirely line segments. So this is the closed curve, or this is the polygon. This is the polygon. This is the polygon. Its interior is shaded. This is also one of the polygon. Now its interior is shaded. Similarly, this is also one of the polygon. Shade its interior. Its interior is shaded. So all these are the polygons. Its interior is shaded. Interior means the internal area of the polygon. Next question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Number A. Is it a curve? Number B. Is it closed? In the question number 4, here is our given figure. This is our given figure. Question number A is it a curve? Yes, this is a curve. This is a curve. And is it a closed? Yes, this is a closed curve. Next question number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. Number 1. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Number B. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. Number C. A polygon with two sides. First one. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Let us draw one circle. This is a closed curve, and this curve is not a polygon because this curve is not made up entirely with line segments. So this is a closed curve that is not a polygon. Or you can draw the curve like this. This is also a closed curve, and this curve is not a polygon. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. Open curve made up entirely of line segments. This is open curve, and this is made up entirely line segments. Or this is also the open curve, and this open curve is made up entirely with the line segments. Or this is also open curve. It is also made up entirely with the line segments. This is also the open curve made up of entirely line segments. All these are the open curves made up entirely of line segments. Next question number C. A polygon with two sides. A rough diagram for a polygon with two sides cannot be drawn. A polygon with two sides cannot be drawn. Students, exercise 4.2 over.